Opening statements in the federal trial against Denver's police department.
Of course, this is all tied to the lawsuit accusing the department of using excessive force 2 years ago during the protests in Denver following the murder of George Floyd.
9 Wants to Know investigative reporter Jeremy Hola sat in the opening statements today, and he joins us live from the courthouse.
Hi there, Kim. From being shot with pepper ball rounds, being sprayed with OC spray, from being tear gassed, the plaintiffs in this case allege numerous cases of excessive force against the Denver Police Department. On the other hand, the city says police were in uncharted territory with some of the protesters attacking them with bottles and rocks. And you'll remember how intense it was that summer of 2020 during the George Floyd protests. That's when thousands of people descended in downtown Denver around the Capitol to protest police brutality and the death of George Floyd. 12 of those protesters are taking their claims to trial this week against the city, claiming a lack of city leadership, a lack of supervision allowed officers to use less than lethal weapons against them, causing severe injuries among some of them, including a skull fracture. Their attorneys opened up in court saying the protesters were acting peacefully and speaking out against police violence when they became the subject of police violence themselves. 7 of the plaintiffs are represented by the American Civil Liberties Union.
This case is asking the jury to hold the highest police officials and the city and county of Denver itself, holding them responsible for their policies and practices having caused the constitutional violations.
A city attorney today told the jury that police were being attacked themselves, and she played images of the damage in downtown Denver from that summer of businesses and their windows broken out and images of businesses being graffitied and vandalized. In the meantime, this trial is expected to last up to 3 weeks. Lots of testimony, lots of expert testimony, lots of images and video to go through here. Kim, back to you.
All right. Thank you, Jeremy.